Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable spatial audio for your earbuds OPPO Enco Air 3i using application. You have to start by open Hey Melody app. And of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. Then you will see the same menu. And right here you need to scroll down just a bit. Right here we have OPPO Alive audio. Tap at this line and click on. You can also click listen what the different when you turn on and turn off it. But you need to click on turn on. If you want to disable it, just click at the off. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!